What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Minecraft pixel art templates. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is go in the description down below and download GIMP. So come up here and we are going to just click on scale tool, and once you have that, you're just going to want to scale this down. Whichever image you have, you may want to go a little bit bigger if the image has a lot of colors in it and stuff. With this, we're just going to go 100 by 100, and that's what we're going to be dealing with in blocks. So once you got your image to about 100 by 100, 107 and 100, that's fine. I'll go ahead and let that slide. So scale it and come up to File, go down to Overwrite the image that I'm using right now. Now once you've done that, you're going to want to go to File again, go down to New, and just call this 100 by 100. Press OK. Now we're going to take that image that we have overwritten and we are going to just go ahead and open as layer, and we're going to open the overwritten image. Now once you've done that, you're going to want to make sure that your image is in place. If you can't grab a hold of it, just kind of scale it up a little bit so that you can see it. And that's fine. It's not going to bother anything. And as you can tell, we got our image here. It's really small, but we're going to be clicking on View, Show Grid. Now that's very important. And then we're going to go ahead and press Control and scroll so we can zoom in. So scroll on your mouse. And we're just going to kind of look at this, and as you can tell, we pretty much got our template here. It's just a little bit faded. So now what you're going to want to do is go ahead and go over to this color thing over here, click that, and just start coloring in everything so that you can see it a little bit better. And I'm not going to keep doing this, but once you get your image, completely colored, like that's good enough. I'm not going to keep going on that. I guess you could do something like that if you wanted. It all depends on the image too. So, and you would just, you would scroll in and you would build whatever you're going to scroll into. So let's say I was going to start building from this side, which I wouldn't. I'd probably build from down here. So let's just say you're trying to build from down here. You want to start from all the way up here, and then you want to scroll up, and you want to build like that. So I think that pretty much covers this tutorial. I hope everyone has learned something and enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I'll hopefully see you in one of my other videos. Peace.